Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is John Gall speaking, and today we are having a look at Sol USDT. Right, this is obviously the PERP futures chart. So today, and according to this video, maybe yesterday, I shared a message on my Telegram channel where I wrote, remember the ICT OTE setup I told you about? I did a free session on it in my Discord for everyone. I did, right? I did. Like maybe a couple of months back, and yeah, obviously it was a free session. I had opened my Discord server just to tell guys about the OT setup, which is again one of the most simple and an amazingly effective setup given by ICT, right? So open the Sol chart and see the OT setup build there, as well as the reaction of price in the previous leg. Let me know what you see and how you would have played it. And I did say that I'll share the chart as well as a video on it tomorrow or the day after. So yes, we are working on this video right now. So yeah, if you guys have been active on my Telegram group, or you've been watching my updates on the Telegram channel, you guys would have seen that I did post this chart sometime back, right? So I'll just move forward with a brief explanation. So yeah, right here, what do we have? We have the 4-hour FVG, which you can see was what rejected the price. All right. So we can see that the price is rejecting from the 4-hour FVG. It comes down. Now this is an important level, as you guys can witness right here, right? This is a key level, right? Price either moves around it, right? Either to break above it or to break below it, right? Even here you can see the rejection of price, right? And what do we do here? We come here, see a big rejection, price again goes about this level, right? And then it comes down, goes up again, and we see a rejection again where? At exactly this level, same as here, same as here, same as here, right? So this is an important level, this is a key level. And then again, we have another key SR marked right here, right? As you guys can see, reaction of price here, holding, holding, rejection, rejection, and holding, right? Maybe we just come down and try to hold this, right? Anyways, what we are here for is the OTE setup that I was talking about, and it's pretty simple, right? Also, these dots that are marked here, this was supposed to be blue, now it's black. Why? Because the liquidity has been taken, right? Liquidity taken here, not tapped, not tapped, not tapped, right? So I hope these representations are clear to you guys. Now let's just move ahead with the video. Again, this was what? This was a deviation of price, right? I did mark it. Let's see what happened. So we can see price coming lower. What does it do? Holds on to the key SR, right? Price is trying to hold on to the key SR, but then it dumps right below it. And what do we see here? Price is still dumping, right? Goes to the key SR again. Rejection, right? You can see the rejection. Now, don't look at this. Don't look at this right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the very basic ICT the OTE setup. All right. So here to here, let me just change the fib setting to OTE. All right. First thing that you notice is as price falls below key SR, it touches what? 0.62, right? And we see a small jump to the key SR. Will it hold? Well, let's see. Does not hold it, right? It does not hold it. So what is the next level? 0.79, right? Let me do this. Right. This is a decent speed, I believe. I'll just speed it up a little bit more. Right. Did you see that? We just touched the 0.79 level. All right. And let's see how price reacts from there. Again, if you wanted to make an entry here, this would have been your entry. And this would have been what? Your SL. Why? Below this low, right? Below this low is your SL. And what is your target? Yeah, obviously this level. You can also target this 0.5 level, which is what? This is the equilibrium level for this and this range, right? Like this entire range, this is the equilibrium level. All right, so now we know the setup. Entry has been made, right? The entry has been made. You can see here, this is where you want to take profit. And let it move, right? Entry made. Now I should increase the speed, right? Key SR, again, flip from support to resistance. Now it's trying to flip it again from resistance to support, right? First target hit and second target hit, right? Second target hit as well. What do we see here? Rejection, right? So anyways, the setup would have been complete. And yeah, this is exactly where the price is at the moment, being rejected from this very key level, right? Somewhere around 44.21. If you want, you can just have it on the chart. All right. And this was a 5.88, almost a 6-hour setup, right? Almost a 6-hour setup. Pretty decent, right? So yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to share with you guys. Pretty sure this video has been helpful to you. So yeah, do like the video, subscribe to the channel. Obviously, a lot of ICT content as well as trade setups and breakdowns will be shared here. And yeah, you guys can see this could have easily been an order block, maybe on the 4-hour or the 12-hour or the 1 day, right? But anyway, the more confluence you have, right? The more confluence you have, OB plus what do you have? OTE, the better your entries can be. All right. So that is all I wanted to share. Share this video with your friends. If you find this helpful, leave a like, leave a comment. Yes, let's have an engagement. If you guys want me to cover any other topic, just let me know. So that's about it. See you guys again. Till then, take care. Cheers.